Much Victoria, good evening. Well, the weather 100 years ago was a little bit chillier than it was today. It really was rather warm. 18.7 Celsius we had earlier at Northolt. Now, this was the sunrise this morning. It was quite misty and murky, and a few of our weather watchers posted up some of these. A very rare fog bow. It only appears for a few minutes, and it reacts a little bit differently to the sunlight than a rainbow. The water droplets within it in the mist and fog much smaller, so therefore we get this white effect. But that lifted and we had lots of sunshine around today. You can see high pressure to the north UK just tries to extend south, just fending off these fronts coming in. And all this yellow and orange, that temperature has been warm and it's set to stay mild, much milder tonight than it was last night. Largely dry and clear, but we will see a bit more cloud. The wind just starts to strengthen. Might just get one or two showers further west. If you do, you might just get a rumble of thunder. Temperatures much warmer than last night, between 11 and 13 Celsius. So for tomorrow morning, not much mist and fog around. That's all because the wind has been lifting everything out of the way, but it is looking largely dry tomorrow. Those fronts still in the west, still could get a rogue shower. Again, probably more likely to be west than east, but some sunny spells. And temperatures, again, despite that easterly breeze, they are going to feel warm at 18 Celsius. Now, that high pressure just starts to drift away as we head overnight into Thursday, and that's going to allow these fronts to move in. And that's when the weather turns a little more unsettled. Breezy, but the air coming up from the south, so it is still going to be quite warm, but we could get these showers overnight into Thursday morning. Rumbles of thunder potentially, but they will gradually start to clear to a brighter afternoon on Thursday with some sunshine, and temperatures on Thursday again still going to feel rather warm, looking at a maximum of 19 Celsius. Now, it is going to stay quite unsettled. It is, however, autumn, despite it feeling a little summery today. We'll see some showers, outbreaks of rain from time to time, but plenty of dry weather. And look at the temperatures. They're staying in the mid to the high teens Celsius, so above average for the time of year. Victoria.
And I'm very pleased to hear that, Kate. Thank you very much indeed.